Welcome viewers. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of competitive examination, that is problem based on ages. So we start with example. Let the age of father be 60 years and age of son be 30 years, right? So these are the present age. So we can say present age of father and present age of son be 60 and 30 years respectively. So this is father age, this is son age. Age of father, present age, we can convert it into ratio. Present age means that it be P for present age. The ratio of father and son's age is 2:1, right? So present age of father and son are in the ratio 2:1. After 5 year means 5 साल के बाद 5 years की एज का रेशियो क्या हो जाएगा? फादर बिकम 65 years, एज ऑफ सन भी 35, 65 और 35 का if we take the ratio, it become 13:7. After 10 year, father will be 70 years old, son will be 40 years old, so ratio become 2:1. So 70 and 47:4, right? 70, age of father will be 70 and age of son will be 40, so it become in the ratio 7:4. After 15 years, the ratio of their ages will be father becomes 75, age of son be 45, so we can convert it into simple. So 15 5s are and 9 5s are, so we can make 5 3s are, so ratio will be 5:5. 5 15s are or 3 15s are, we can 5 15s are 75, 3 15s are 45. After 20 years, their ratio of their ages will be 20 year it becomes 60, father age is 60, son age is 50, so it becomes 8:5, right? So you can find after 25 year, after 30 years. So now we will discuss about 5 years ago, or 5 years before 5 years. The present age be 60 and 30. Yes, so 5 years ago their ages will be 55 and 25. So what is the ratio? The ratio will be 11:5. So 10 years ago, what are their ratio? 50 and 20, so 5:2. 15 years ago, father will be 45, son will be 15, so you can find 3:1. 20 years ago, father will be 40, son was 10 year old, so their ages are in the ratio 4:1. So in this way you can calculate their ages 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 25 years ago, 35 years ago, and so on. So now we frame the ratio of the present ages with 5 year ago, 10 year ago, 15 year ago, and after 5 year, after 10 years. So what we have to do now? Questions are given. Now, one important thing that you have to keep in mind: let the present age be. We have to find the gap, age gap. The important thing is age gap. Present age, let it be 0. हम इसको 0 लेके चले. After 5 year, this is after 5 years. So we can take this plus. So what is the difference in age? That is 0 and 5. That is 5 years. So age gap is 5 years. If present age, the ratio present age is given, and 10 year ago their ages will be given, then the age gap will be 10 years. Present age and 10 year ago, the age gap will be 10 years. Right? If the information is given that 10 year ago their ages are in the ratio this, and after 10 year their ages will be this. Now we have to find the gap between 10 years and before and 10 years after. So it will be 20 years. So gap will be 20 years. So in this way you find the gap between their ages. So now we will discuss examples based on these. If the question is, if present age of father are in the ratio, father and son are in the ratio. Present age means we can take 0 also, right? If you can, either you can write P or you can write 0. 0 means it is present age. So present age, the ratio of their ages are 2:1. And after 10 years, now information, after 10 years, their ratio, ages are in the ratio will be 7:4. Now find the present age of father and son. Now this information is given. Now we have to find the present age of father and son. So first we find the gap. This gap is 0 and 10. So 10 years. So we write 10. This is the gap. And then we have to find difference in 7 and 4. 7 minus 4. We take positive one. If here 4 and 4 is given and 7 is given. So instead of writing 4 minus 7, we write 7 minus 4. Which is bigger? Which one is bigger? We find bigger minus smaller number. So 10 into 7 minus 4. Once again, quickly observe what we do. We take the gap, that is present age and after 10 years, the gap of their age is be 10. 7 minus 4, that is, we write 7 minus 4. And then we take the cross product. 4 2 is 8 minus 7 1 is 7. Again, हम यहाँ से subtract किसको करेंगे? बड़ी में से छोटी टर्म माइनस करेंगे. So 4 2 is 8 minus 7 1 is 7. So this is 10 into 3/1. So this is 30. Now we get unit. This is our 1 unit value. So 1 unit value is 30. Now father age is 2 unit. So father age is 60. Present age. We are talking about present age. So 32 is 60 and 31 is son of age be 30. So it is given. So present age of father and son be 60 and 30. So basically, this is the one of the quickest approach how we can solve the questions. Now let us discuss another example. Present age of father and son are in the ratio 2:1. It is given. Now before, instead of taking 5 year 10 year ago, we take 5 year before. So 5 year before we take minus sign. Minus represent before. 5 year before their ages are in the ratio 11:5. It is given in the question. So now we have to find the present age. Yes. So quickly, what is the gap? Gap is 5 years. Don't take negative. You have to take the gap, right? So 5 gap कितना हो गया? 5 साल का. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. Divide by 5 2s are 10. minus 11 1 is 11. So 11 minus 10 is 1. So this is 30. How we can write? This is 5 into 11 minus 5 divided by 11 minus 10. We can now this term is product is of this term is bigger than product of this. So we can take bigger minus smaller. So this is equal to 30. Now this is 1 unit cost, 1 unit value. This is, so 1 unit is 30 years. So father age is 32. We multiplied this 1 unit value with this 32 60 years and son be 31 30 years. So in this way you can find the age of father and son. Now if the information between 10 year after and 10 year before is given, then what happened, how we can find? So now father and son, this is type 3. So father and son after 10 year means plus 10 year, but what are their ratio? 7:4. So we can write 7:4. And before 10 year, their ratios are in the 5:2. 5:2. Now we have to find the present age of father and son. Now what is the gap? The gap between these two, the ages information is given before and after. So this is 20-year gap. This is present age, 10 year before, 10 year ago. So gap is 20 years. Right? Now 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 divided by 7 2 is 14, 5 4 is 20. So 20 minus 14 is 6. So this is our 1 unit value, right? So 3 2 is 6. So 1 unit value is 10. Now we multiplied this by 10 after 10 year. So it become 10 7 is 70 and 10 4 is 40 year. But this information, this value is not present value. This value is after 10 year. After 10 year, father will be 70. After 10 year, son will be 40. So what we do, we find the present age. Present age के लिए क्या करेंगे? 70 minus कितने साल बाद, 10 साल के बाद 70 थी तो 10 minus कर देंगे. तो present age will be 60 and son, see father present age and son present age is 40 minus 10, that is 30. So in this way we can solve questions related to ages. Now let us discuss some examples. The present age of Anika and Nancy is in the ratio 4:5. So what is given? 0. We write Anika and for Nancy. Present age information is 4:5. 5 year back. 5 year back means before 5 years. Their ratio will be in the ratio, ages are in the ratio 3:5. So what we have to do? We have to find the gap. This is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Divide by 5 4 is 20 minus 5 3 is 15. That is 5. So this is equal to 2. So what is the present age of Anika? 4 2 is 8. So we multiply this by this. So this is answer. How quickly we can find the ratio of present age of P and Q. So P and Q are given. So present age means 0. We can write 3:4. 5 year ago means minus 5. The ratio of their ages was 5:7. Now we have to find the present age. What is the gap? This gap is 5 years. 5 into 7 minus 5 is 2. Divide by 7 3 is 21. 5 4 is 20. So it is 1. So this is 10. So 1 unit is 10. So 10 3 is 30. P, value of P, age of P. This is present age. So 30 years and age of Q is 10 4 is 40. So age of Q is 40 years, right? Now next question is, the present age of man is 4 times of his son. So the age of man is 4 times of his son. So age of man and son, M man and S son. We can take father and son also. Father and son. Present age is 4:1. Their ratio, we can take 0 for present. 5 year ago, minus 5. The man will be 9 times as old as his son. So 9:1. Find the present age of man. Father की हमें present age find करनी है. So quickly we can find 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 minus 9, this is 5. So we get 1 unit value is 8. So 8 4s are 32. Present age of father is 32 and son be 8. So you can, how quickly you can find the ages of father and son. So now next question is 4 years ago man was 6 times as old his son. So again father and son age 4 years ago. So minus 4. 6 times the son, 6:1. After 16 years, so plus 16. He will be twice as his son. He will be twice as his son. So we have to find. So now we have to find a gap. 16 and 4, it will be 20-year gap. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4. So 1 unit value is 5. Now 5 6 are 30. Father age is 30. Present age is, no, it is not present age. It is 4 years ago. We are multiplying with this factor. So it is 4 years ago. Son will be 5 years ago. Now we have to find present age. Present age of father. That is 30 minus 4. 30 plus 4. Sorry. Because it is 4 years ago. So present age be 30 plus 4 is 34. Son present age be 5 plus 4. This is 9. So 34 and 9. This is the right answer. Next question is the ratio of ages of Sita and Geeta is 2:7. It means present age Sita and Geeta 2:7. After 6 years, the ratio will be 1:2. What is the difference of their present ages? Okay. So now the gap is 6 years. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 to the 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is 1 unit value is 2. So present age of Sita is 4 years. Present age of Geeta is 7 to the 14 years. So what is the difference of their present age? So 14 minus 4, that is 10 years. So this is the answer. A father is twice as old as his daughter. Now father and daughter. This present age means 0. This we take 0 as for present age. The ratio will be 2:1. After 20 years plus 20, their ages, the ages of father was 10 times the age of daughter. It become 10:1. So we have to find the present age of father. So 20 into 10 minus 1 is 9 upon 10 minus 2 is 8. So we can find 45 by 2, that is 22 and a half. So now this is 1 unit value. So father age is 22 into 1 by 2 into 2, that is 45. 45 year is the present age of father. So this is the answer. So in this way you can think, you can discuss more examples related to problem on aging. I think this lecture is very, very helpful to solve all the examples related to problem based on ages. So thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay healthy.